Hi, Dave Girding from CAT Paving Products here to introduce a series of videos on our brand new operator-assisted command for compaction technology. This series of video is not intended to fully replace your operation and maintenance manual. You should always read that before operating any piece of equipment. And as always, stay safe and attentive while in the cab of the machine. Now that you're in auto and the machine is compacting, let's review the display icons while operating. First, you'll notice the machine icon. It will move along with you as you progress. The blue arrow shows the path you're on, and the yellow arrow shows where you will go next. In the upper left corner of the screen, you will find 3 items. The countdown timer tells you how much time you have left to complete compaction of the entire area. The timer will always show a time even as you are recording the area, but it is not accurate until after you press auto and start moving. The green auto bar lets you know you're in auto. The status bar will give you a readout of your current status. This is where you can find more information in case you are unsure of why the machine has stopped or cannot enter auto. Next, let's move to the middle section on the upper portion of the screen. Here you will see icons displaying the status of various systems and interlocks. Check your operation manual for more information on these interlock symbols and their meanings. There is also another video in this series for reference on the command interlocks. Moving over to the upper right side of the display screen, there are 3 more icons to review. The pass counter tells you how many passes you've completed out of the total number of passes that will be completed. There's also a status bar, which fills up to show the progress you are making on the compaction plan. You can also find the menu button here, but it is locked out while you're operating in auto. If you need to access the menu during operation, you must first stop the machine. As stated in a previous video, the only compaction setting you can change after you started compaction is the speed. Any other changes will restart compaction from the beginning. Along that right side of the display, we also have the zoom functions. The Fit All will show the entire work area you are in on one screen. You can also zoom in and out to get a closer or farther away view. Zooming will focus on the machine icon. On the bottom right of the display is the operation icon for the object detection system. This is where you will find the visual indicator to let you know if the system is seeing any objects in your pathway. There is another video in this series which goes into more detail on this system. Finally, looking at the bottom left of the display, you can find the buttons and status for both machine steering and propulsion auto and for the vibe or drum system auto. You will use this main auto button to place the machine in auto at the start of compaction. After compaction begins and during operation, the small green light on this button tells you that you are in auto and the command system is now controlling the propulsion and steering of the machine. You can press this button to kick out of auto and stop the machine. Only while you are operating in auto, you will find the drum or vibe system auto button. When you are running in auto and the command system is controlling the drum vibration, this button will appear grayed out and the small green light will be on. If the operator initiates a manual override of the vibe system, the button will illuminate bright white and the green light will go off. That's your indication that you now have control of the vibe system and can run it manually as needed. When you want to return vibe control back to the command system, simply hit this button again. It should gray out and the green light will come on, signifying that the command system is now in control of the drum vibration again.